Disney World just released their new 50th anniversary collectible, and it's making headlines today.
I'm so excited!
So I'm feeling a little like a sucker here. First, here's the headlines.
So Alicia, tell us what you have for
I'm
us.
excited for this one. Okay, so today we're getting our celebration on.
Let me rewind a bit. This morning I woke up to the headline that Disney is releasing a new collectible commemorative 50th anniversary Coke bottle. And at first I'm like,
I'm so excited!
because it also says that the new collectible bottle will be selling for the same price as a normal Coke in Disney, which is already pricey at $4.69 for just the soda. But at least they're not upcharging us. So I'm thinking,
OMG!
Disney threw us a bone. Maybe they're listening to all the people who have been saying it's just getting more and more expensive in the parks. Then I look at it and I'm deeply confused. It looks like a Coke bottle with a different wrapper. So I get it. It's my fault for getting excited. I'm not mad.
Let's cool it down here.
And I don't blame Disney for this one. I blame the people who think this is a headline. And I'm not talking about Disney YouTubers, because it's their job to get excited about this stuff. But Good Morning America? Guys, seriously? Or this article I found on thestreet.com, which by the way is an investing website. It's not even Disney related. And they say, quote, "The bottles are shaped just like the ones that were sold at Disney World when the park opened in 1971. Now I wasn't around in 1971. But this bottle looks pretty similar to the ones I see at the grocery store. So that tells me they might be searching a little too hard for something exciting to say about these bottles." Or this one from Elite Daily, which also isn't a Disney-related website, that says they are, quote, "pure magic," and, quote, "they're a throwback, but also totally modern." Guys, it's a bottle. And then they go on to say, quote, "Get ready to light up your next visit to Disney World with some celebratory bottles." If I'm lucky enough to be at Disney World, I just don't think that this bottle is going to light up my visit. I think I'll be a lot more excited about the rides and the atmosphere.
It kind of makes you think.
Are they getting paid to push this news? By Disney or by Coke? Or both? I have no clue, so please comment below if you have any idea. And really, with all that's going on in the world right now, I can't help looking at Good Morning America and all these other websites who are pushing this story and wanting to ask them, do you really think this is newsworthy? Or is it? You tell me. Honestly, I just don't see myself actually keeping this bottle. If you were spending your day at Disney World, would you really want to carry around this empty bottle so that you could bring it home as a, quote, keepsake? I mean, I love the idea of a less expensive keepsake item from Disney, but not this one. I actually saw a listing for a set of these bottles on sale for $99. No, just no. If you've got $99 to blow, put it in the bank or donate it to a charity, because I'd hate to see you spending it on this. But maybe that's just me. Again, comment below if you're seeing something newsworthy in this design that I am just not seeing. Hey, I'm 15. I truly don't know everything.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe.